Hello everyone, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So last time we implemented this mechanism that this NPC character kind of strafe around us before attacking, and but still he can't block. I haven't implemented the blocking mechanism for the NPC character. So that's what I'm going to cover today. Alright, so I'll open my ch human character first, and I implemented that. Yeah, this in when the character is in this attack mode, he do this strafing and attacking to the player, but is done here. And so I think I can do the blocking part also in this section. So it's like this, and I have done some small change here. So here, if I do it like this, based on this random number, that character will, if the output of random number is 1, character will go to strafing. If the random number output is 0, it will go to attacking. So instead of that, I have added a flip-flop node here. So what this flip-flop node does is, if it at the first time or first execution, it will execute line A, and the next time line B, and the next time A, and the next time B, like that. So that's what this flip-flop does. So the reason to add that was because sometimes I get longer periods that the enemy character don't attack, he just move around. So I wanted to avoid that. Okay, so blocking, right? So first I'll check that if I have a blocking event implemented. It should be under fight, and here we have the block. And yes, as I suspected, I have only implemented this input action block, only the input part. So in order to call from another blueprint or from somewhere else, instead of this input action, I need a custom event. So without creating a custom event like this, I'm not going to create like this. I think I have explained why I'm doing that. That's because I'm doing it in the character interface. The reason is, I think I have explained it earlier, so I am not going to explain about blueprint interfaces again. Okay, I'll add a new function here, block. I think I should do a toggle block like this, and I'll put it under fight, and as the input, enable. Okay, compile this, and toggle block. I can implement that method here, and I need a branch like this, and if it is enable, it should go here. If it is disable, it should go here. So I have already explained about this event, so I don't think I need to explain it again, right? So same as the player character, using this event, the NPC character can also do blocking. Right, now I'll go back to the place that I implemented attacking and strafing. So I will add strafing. First I need to check something. So I need to check what happens if I'm still in blocking mode. I'm in blocking mode. What happens if I attack? This attack. Okay. So yeah, in here I can call toggle block interface call, and target is self, and I'll make this random bool. So the character will randomly block or stop blocking. Okay, let's check if that works. Right, now he's blocking. Yeah, he can block now, but he's always blocking. Now he's not blocking, and it's my time to attack. Well, he's running away from me. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to do today. Only the giving the player NPC character to giving the ability to block. So he can do that. Alright, so that's all for today, and as always this video is sponsored by these patrons. Thank you very much for you guys are the best. And if you have any more questions or problems with your gaming projects or anything else regarding to game development, you can contact me via Patreon or in the comment section. I will get back to you with answers. And also, if you need any more explanations, if you need a way to send direct messages, you can use Patreon. And also you will have access to source code and other stuff in Patreon as well. Alright, see you in the next video. Goodbye.